Last week, few monkeys came into my garden and broke this side branch of this most liked hibiscus plant of my garden. As I had brought it just a month back, I had not yet reported it, but I had managed to fix the problem. But unfortunately, today in the afternoon, monkeys trespassed my garden once again and broke the main stem of the plant. As you see here, you must be seeing just a bit of the branch it attached to the stem. Almost 70% of the, or say 80% of the main branch has been broken by the monkeys. Only 20% maybe is connected, and now I am to fix because I love this plant. For that I have to use this, as you have seen it before in many other videos, and you may be having in your garden to meet or to fix such unhappy happenings. It is very sad really, but still then, welcome to Wonder Trees. Remember, it's your channel. Never forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified of my new videos. Please watch how I am fixing it and I am sharing it. It may, let it not happen with you, but it may happen to anybody, to any plant, by not only by monkeys but also by many other accidents. So this will be the way as I am fixing it up. I am trying to fix it up, and I'm pretty sure that I will fix it up. I will show you the result. Please be with this video until the end. As you see here, just above 1 inch or even less than that from the surface, it has been broken. It is very difficult to fix because I don't want to injure the plant anymore by removing some leaves or some branches, as you may be seeing at the bottom of the plant. It is very difficult really, but I am pretty sure that I will fix it up, and I am sharing it because those who can face such problems may learn the way and fix their lovable plants from any further damage. I could have moved the branch, moved the main branch of the plant and tried to grow it by some other method, but I didn't want to, and one shouldn't want to spoil the plant at this stage when it is blooming. And it's a very beautiful color, Rani color, and newly developed by the researchers of hybrid plants. So this is the way I am. Please watch minutely so that you can be able to see what exactly I am doing for fixing the plant which has been broken by the trespassers, the monkeys. I love monkeys for their funny activities, but these are the most dangerous accidents they do intentionally to the plants of gardens and in other places too. So this is how I am fixing, as it is only 1 inch or less than that above the surface. It is more difficult to fix, but still then I am hopeful and I am pretty sure that I can fix it up. I will show you the result. Please be with the video till the end. It is difficult to save the plant from further injury. You can be seeing that I am not even cutting the leaves down, or I am not removing the branches whether they are small or big. I could have cut the side branches, but I don't want to do that. I want to keep the plant in the same as it was before, so that I must be having and the plant must be looking beautiful with number of branches. I have finished up my wrapping, and now it is time to give a knot to fix these plastic, thin plastics to the stem, so that in near future, if at all anything happens to this unfortunate plant, it will be of a great help. Now I have done the major work, but still, please wait. There are things to be done. The plant is in stress. To remove the stress from the plant, I am pouring water from the top of the plant so that it gets cool temperature, which may help in healing it. Now the second part is give an additional support of the wall or net or something like that at the back of the plant, so that it will be a good support to keep the alignment straight. Now after that, as you see here, I have got 2 sticks with which I will be sure so that the plant is not disturbed by the wind or any other thing that way. You see here how to fix these pins. This should be just in front of the branch, and I will fix the other one at the back side, and then I will tie both the pins intact. For that, you have to choose a strong string. Avoid using wires, as it may create additional heat in these summer days. and after fixing it both the sides of the plant, I will leave the plant as if nothing has happened to the plant. As you see here, I have given two knots, one at the top and one at the bottom. And now, if at all the plant is disturbed by wind or something, it will be, the joint will be intact. And you see here, after 2 days in the daytime, the flower has bloomed, which I will cut from the plant so that it doesn't have any load. And next, see the beautiful color of the flower. There is another bud waiting to bloom.